Bona Gachagua for me the feeling Gachagua what again toke ko gara chinkwa na chia chikuma chiko discredit Matiang'i ne saying enjonga it's all about again to kronga kingpinship. Kwa sababu igata itakobanga is the sole person or Mount Kenya nero go command also go give directions to where abantu ba Mount Kenya went to work chikura. But the emergency of Uhuru Kenyatta nere mwete stress. Kwa sababu gani? Gachagua ga change the tune, not even changing the tune from even the beginning. Mtu aroche Jeremiah Kioni from the beginning of the United Opposition. Jeremiah Kioni ngota hararenge na barabu akaikasigete akarasira tukacha Matiang'i before he declares to go to before try and send DC ya Jubilee ngota harabarenge amwa iga once iga yarenge very that frequent. Bono kero uyo ndaye na aende DC ya Jubilee na liyo yonde achite ko morabi show ase bali batano akamu exclude Matiang'i. It is simply because of that toratebenga selfish or greedy. I don't have any soft word I can use. Let me just say it's greedy that igata ketokobanga nero le bueka kwa sensemeri Mount Kenya. That is why he's fighting Matiang'i. In fact that is gitaria ya Matiang'i. In fact this ere ya Uhuru Kenyatta. He's fighting Uhuru Kenyatta but he is saying enjono Uhuru Kenyatta ko support Matiang'i. That's why agwa ka bombshell wacha se sema ya Matiang'i. But I like the way the response Matiang'i amwa. It is the leadership moment. We are not talking about which party, which way to go, but we are talking about the leadership. And what amazes, let me say, even the government side, Matiang'i is doing what we call clean politics in a way that he has already identified what we call the problems that are within the government. And what he's trying to offer is the solution. This and this and this. We katonya resolution. Who is a leader? A leader is a person who gives solutions. So Matiang'i is a leader because he's trying to give solutions as how the government could have done something. But when you compare Matiang'i and Gachagua, Gachagua is so much driven by bitterness. He is bitter because he's an impeached element. What are you saying?
But